Again. AKA, no. Dun. Dum. Dum. Waiting it. It's darling. Da da da. Oh my gosh, that's so down. Oh yeah. No. No. Miguel, Marcusef, Zachary, and yeah. And Jaden, and Joaquin, and that's all. Dum-dum. We're just gonna wait for that while we go on YouTube and search up games.
They say after seeing a magician make his assistant disappear, Mr. Clean came up with a product that makes dirt virtually disappear. He called it the Magic Eraser. It cleans like magic. Even baked on dirt disappears right before your eyes. Mr. Clean's Magic Eraser.
What's up, Internet? I really spit just then. Yeah. Sorry. Hey, Dingleberries. I am joined by my wife, and we are going to do something that we have done before. We've done it twice before now. This is, third time's a charm. That is... We did this as boyfriend and girlfriend. In a vlog, we did it as fiancés, and now we're going to do it as husband and wife. I am not good at this.
I'm going to make you look beautiful.
I know you will. Can we just not... You don't have to do me full out. Like, just...
Oh, I'm doing it full out. Can we start? Can we start?
Sure.
All right, let's see. You're pale, so this is probably the best.
Pale is such a negative term. I think you should say you're fair skinned.
You're fair skin.
I will say that I'm really sensitive to this. I'll jump away if I think it's in my eyes. It feels weird.
This is not your color.
Well, girl, you gotta work with it. You were going way harsher than the first two
You're
times.
just being sensitive.
So you're jabbing it in me.
Switching sides now.
It's really awkward. My little sister's here and she's just standing in the background watching because this has got to be weird. You are definitely
You're being
doing
too
it.
sensitive.
No, you're
being too sensitive.
You're definitely doing it much harder than you've ever done it before.
No, I'm just
I
trying.
think you're trying to take out your aggression on me.
Aggression. Stop the foundation. Now.
That's why you're yellow.